What if I told you there's an easy 8-minute, 8-hour, 8-day routine that could lift your face, tighten your neck, and wake up your glow? That too without Botox, fillers, or extreme routines. This, my dear blusher, is my 888 face and neck reset. Part face yoga, part face fitness, part sleep therapy, a full face and neck reboot that targets sagging, puffiness, and wrinkles by working with your body's own intelligence. We'll start with something that you probably already know: oil pulling, but not the way you think. You've heard of oil pulling for oral health, but here is the glow up secret. It's actually a lower face workout. 8 minutes every morning. That's it. When you swish oil in your mouth, you're activating multiple facial muscles, especially the ones that lift your cheeks, your jawline, and your underchin area. It's like resistance training for your face. You can't possibly lift dumbbells with your cheeks, but oil you can. So when you add this additional weight to your face, it strengthens your droopy mouth corners, tones your neck, boosts circulation, and detoxifies your lymphatic system, all while targeting brightening your skin. So the pro tip here is use cold-pressed sesame or coconut oil before brushing your teeth. Start with 5 minutes and then you can work your way up to 8. You'll notice fresher breath, firmer gums, noticeably a tighter jawline, and reduction in the depth of your nasolabial folds, all within a week. It also plumps your gums and strengthens your cheek muscles to prevent sagging. If you would like to learn more about muscle activation behind oil pulling, then see my full demonstration in the video that I'll link up here, and start catching up on my complete face yoga playlist as well. Now that your face is activated, let's talk about how to let it recover overnight. Think you're getting beauty sleep? Not if your pillow is secretly aging your face every night. If your face is pressed into a regular pillow every night, you're literally folding your skin into wrinkles for 8 hours straight. That's why I have sworn on my Sleep and Glow pillow for years. It's a beauty investment that pays off every single night. This video is not sponsored by this brand. This Omnia pillow from Sleep and Glow supports my facial symmetry. It prevents sleep wrinkles. The side cutouts keep my cheeks lifted instead of squashed, so your skin, your fascia, and muscles stay supported. Its silk pillowcase reduces friction, meaning your skincare stays on your face, not on your pillow. Side sleepers can finally relax in their favorite position without those facial creases, folds, fluid pooling, collagen loss, facial asymmetry, uneven wrinkles, eyelash and eyebrow loss, and that dreaded neck pain from bad posture. Who knew side sleeping on a regular pillow was doing all this to your face? That's not it. The pillow also has a center cradle right here. Now this cradle maintains alignment from neck to spine, so no more neck folds and compression lines that you get on your regular pillow. So over time, you will notice lesser neck wrinkles, smoother cheeks, even volume, and better lymphatic flow, especially when paired with nightly face yoga. That video is linked up here too. If you are serious about long-term anti-aging, your pillow is just as important as your serum, except this one is a one-time investment that lasts up to 5 years. Over the years, I have tried every Sleep and Glow model, but I still own their first pillow. I started using this one 6 years ago and it is still perfect. That tells you the quality. Honestly, the timing couldn't be better. With the new year coming up, this is the perfect time to make better sleep a part of your self-care resolution. Use my special promo code BLUSHWITHME, exclusive to my community, and grab one for yourself and maybe one to gift your loved one. The link and code are in the description as well. Because once your skin rests right, your body starts restoring from within. Now that you've learned how to restore, let's see how to reverse gravity itself. So part 3 is about the next 8 days of hanging head face yoga. Gravity has been pulling your face down all day. Let's flip it and make it lift you instead. For the next 8 days, lie on your bed with your head slightly off the edge and perform your face yoga and neck toning exercises in that position. This inverted posture works against gravity, giving your face an instant circulation boost. Blood rushes upward, feeding your skin oxygen and nutrients. It's like a mini natural facelift that no other treatment can match. It decompresses your neck, releases fascia tension, and repositions sagging tissues, especially around your jowls, your double chin, and actually complete face. Think of it as gravity training for your face. Gravity training your face? Try these. The first move in this position is to repeat your vowels 10 times back to back. So start slowly. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Slowly start picking up the pace. And the last one should sound like A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. This should start activating all your muscles from your chest all the way up to your face. And now comes move number 2. Gentle neck presses to activate neck muscle. In this position, mew. You know what mew means by now, right? You watched enough of my videos. If you haven't, then you know where the video is linked. In this position, press your tongue up to the roof of your mouth and notice how it activates all these muscles here. So do about 10 of these gentle tongue presses up to the roof of your mouth, but in the inverted position. Now next one, now from that hanging position, lift your head towards parallel, like your head should be parallel to the ground. Even a few inches of lift is great. Over time, you'll build incredible neck and jaw strength, and you'll be able to do multiple repetitions with ease. But go easy on yourself if you're new to this. Do these 3 moves back to back and no longer than a minute or minute and a half in total. You don't want to start feeling lightheaded in that position. Definitely take your before and after photos. You'll see your neck elongate and your lower face sharpen, while your cheeks and eyes look more lifted. After 8 days, you'll start to feel your neck and face wake up. That glow you will see, pure circulation, no filters, no fillers required. So 8 minutes, 8 hours and 8 days. Small changes, massive transformation. For the next 8 days, follow all 3. 8 minutes of oil pulling every morning, 8 hours of proper sleep on Sleep and Glow pillow, 8 days of inverted face yoga practice. You will start to notice not just a visible lift, but also a powerful shift in how energized, confident, and radiant you feel. If you love routines that work with your body's natural intelligence, dive deeper with me inside my 21-day Face Yoga Mastery program at this link. It is linked in the description below. You should also explore my face taping mastery workshop and face massage challenge for 7 days, all designed to train your facial muscles for lasting anti-aging results. Because once you learn to control your face, you control how it ages. If this video inspired you, then tap that subscribe button, that like button, and share this with someone who needs to be reminded that natural age reversal is possible. Of course, I will see you next week with another glow-boosting secret. Until then, keep glowing, keep sculpting, and continue to blush with me.